Okay guys, so I already did the foundation. This is the foundation. And I already did my brows, and the product I use for my brows is the Anastasia Duo Powder. So I'm going to be grabbing my product right here, and this one's from Hard Candy, and I'm just going to be using that to clean my underneath my brows very quick. I actually love this product. It's kind of thick, but in a way it has like its own like creamy kind of flavor, but not flavor, but a creamy texture. I mean, obviously not that creamy, but I love this formula. So I'm gonna come with my Sonia sponge, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth everything out very quick. So now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead very quick, and I'm going to grab this one right here. This is just a powder, and I'm just gonna grab that powder just to set my lids very quick. And right now I'm gonna conceal underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna be coming in with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Cream, and this is in the color medium. I know we look a little cray-cray, but it's okay. So right now I'm going to be coming in with this setting powder right here, and it's the NYC loose powder, and I'm going to use this one to set my under eyes very quick. And the only reason I'm going to let them, I'm going to actually bake, is because I'm going to be using some glitter for my eyes, and I don't want the glitter to stay on my eyes if I get some fallout, which most likely I will. So I'm gonna bake, something that I do not like doing, baking. So I'm gonna be coming in with my James Charles palette. Okay, so I'm gonna be grabbing this brush. This brush has no name, but I'm gonna be getting the color Punch Me. So I'm gonna be getting the color Punch Me right here, and I'm gonna be using that as our transition color. Like so. So next I'm going to be coming in with this color right here, and this is the color 10%, and this brush right here does have a name, and it's the Morphe M441, and I'm going just to be placing this color in my crease. Like so. And then we're gonna grab, I'm gonna do the other eye very quick. So I'm gonna come back with this brush. Remember, like I said, it has no name, but I'm gonna get the color Punch Me, and I'm gonna be blending these two colors together. I'm gonna come in with this color right here, and this is the color T. Ooh, T. Okay, so I'm gonna be coming in with this brush that came in one of my Urban Decay palettes, and I'm gonna use this side for the brush because it has two sides, but I'm gonna use this side right here. So I'm gonna get that color T, and I'm just gonna place this in my outer V corner. And then I'm going to come in with the other side, and I'm just going to blend. We're going to get more of that color. We're going to go intensify it right here in this corner. I'm going to come with this side of the brush, and I'm just going to blend it. So I'm gonna drag this color to my crease, and then I'm going to come with the other side of the brush, and then I'm just gonna blend. I'm going to be coming in with this creamy concealer right here, and of course a brush, and I'm gonna create like a half cut crease. Now we're gonna do our other eye very quick. For this process, I do tilt my head a little back, and then I'll be able to see where to create the line. So this is how it's supposed, this is something it should be looking like. I'm gonna be coming in with this color right here. The brush I'm using is the Sigma E58 brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna be coming in with this brush right here, and this brush is just like an old brush that I have. It's just like a Hello Kitty brush set that I have purchased years ago. So I'm just gonna be grabbing this glue right here, and this is just meant for the glitter. I'm going to be grabbing the product, and I'm just gonna be placing it in my eyes, and just follow the lines where I had created our half cut crease. So the glitter I'm using is this right here, and it has 3 different colors, but I'm going to be using this white one, and these are from NYX. I've used the other colors, the other 2 colors, but I have not used this white one, so why not for this look? I feel it's going to look very nice. Okay, so let me show you guys. This is the color. It's very, very, very pretty. So I'm just gonna grab it with my brush, and I'm just gonna press. And that's why, as you can see, why we added the powder, the setting powder. That you see why I left the setting powder right there, because I knew I was gonna get glitter all over. I'm just gonna blend this right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes very quick. The mascara I'm using is the Better and Sex mascara. Lashes I'm using are these, the House of Lashes in Iconic. I'm gonna be adding this glue, and it's just a duo glue. Okay, so now that we added our lashes, now I'm gonna come with my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just gonna remove the powder. I'm gonna get the color 10%. Like so. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend. So I'm gonna come with this side of the Urban Decay, and I'm just gonna blend this out very quick. Color T, and I'm gonna place that underneath my lower lash line, like so. And I'm just gonna come with this brush. It has no name, but I'm just gonna blend. And I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lashes. So I'm going to be using this new product I have right here, and this is just the Physician Formula, the butter bronzer, and this is in the deep bronzer. I do have the other one, which is just, I think it's called just bronzer. So this one is a little bit darker, and I wanted to try it out very quick, and I wanted to try it out because I've heard a lot of good reviews on this color specifically. Like I said, they do have another, they do have more color bronzers now, but I wanted to try the deep one. The color is just like this, y'all. So I'm gonna get this side of the Kat Von D duo brush, you want to call it, and I'm going to use this one right here to bronze up my cheek. So now I'm going to come with this brush right here, and I'm just going to blend my bronzer up very quick. Now for the blush, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild, and this is in the color Rose Champagne. And I'm going to use this side of the brush now for my blush. I like this color because it's like very subtle, like it looks just good. It's not too pinky, it's just perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be coming with this Makeup Forever pencil. And I'm just gonna place it here in my waterline. This is what we have so far. So now I'm gonna grab this color right here, and it's called Face, and I'm actually gonna use that to highlight very quick. I'm gonna come in with my Morphe 510. I'm going to be coming in with this Eco Tool brush, and I'm going to grab that color and I'm going to put this in my brow bone. Like so, very nice. Next I'm coming in with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just going to try to cover my lashes very quick because I don't want them to get wet. Whew. I love this spray. So I'm going to grab my Sonia my sponge, and I'm just going to press everything down. I'm going to be coming in with this red color right here, and it's from Makeup Forever. Lips, I'm gonna come in with this Smashbox right here, and it's just a like a red kind of lip gloss, and I'm just gonna. So you guys, this is it. This is my final look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys love it, and don't forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up if you guys did like this video, and also comment down below what is your favorite glam look. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not. So I'm going to give you guys a little close-up just so you guys can see how this look turned out. So this is the eye. It looks like a goldish kind of color. And the lip, I did want to use a red lip, but I cannot find my Kat Von D lip that I love. But this is the eye look.